Alright guys, I just put this thing together for a friend of mine. So we're gonna test it out, see how she shoots. The D10 is a little worn out, but he didn't have a new one, so might get 1 or 2 balls, but we'll see how it shoots. Let's see. Regular round ball for now. Alright guys, so we shot us, shoots good, but one thing I noticed, I don't know if it's because my mags are old. You know, they got a lot of use, but with the Helix mag, you know, these mags, like I said, they're, I don't know, close to a year old. When you put it in, you know how you gotta rock it to click it? It comes right out. When you rock it, comes right out. Now, this is a D-Mag is new. I haven't played with it ever. So, with the D-Mag, it's good. So, I don't know. It could be just my mag being worn out. And it could be just the old mag worn out. That's the only thing I don't know. I'm hoping it's just the mag being old. You know? Other than that, looks cool. Shit's good. You know? Alright guys.